Yeah.
Okay. I just feel like I'm out there, you know.
It's all right, mate.
You know how introverted I am. Have you ever wanted to cut a dado in a board but you don't have a dado stack? Because you know in some countries dado stacks are illegal. Not here in Australia though. But just say you haven't got one and you want to cut a groove, how would you go about it? That's where this new product from Magswitch comes in. It's got two stops here that you adjust to the width of your cut and run them through. So you set your first stop for your first cut, you set your second stop for your second cut, run your board up to them, run it through the job, run it up to the next stop and run it through the job again. So once you've established your two outer lines of your dado, all you do is run it through the saw as you normally would and just nibble away the insides. So you can also use it as your standard featherboard, which is great. But they've rethought these magnets on the back of it. If ever you were cutting a piece of timber and it just happened to fall over the top of your mitre slot, you weren't getting the gripping power from the magnets because obviously you had this big gap here. So they've rethought it and they've made these magnets a little bit wider and they've put rubber feet on there as well. So when you put your board down, the featherboard down, it's now spanning that mitre slot. And the grip now is, you thought it was good before, much better now. So as you can see, they've really thought this through. It's a really, really good product. If you want more information on it, click the links below. Click the like and subscribe buttons because TimberCon love it when you do that. Subscribe to me as well because I love it when you do that. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye for now.
Yeah. Sorry, I was like, what is he trying to do?